Most agency owners think more people equals more leads. Wrong. More people doesn't mean more growth. It means more management, more payroll, more headaches. You're not building a business. You're building a babysitting service. I've spent the last year stripping the fluff out of B2B pipelines. I've helped solopreneurs replace entire SDR teams with a few well-placed API calls and a GPT-4o prompt. The result? Higher quality leads and zero payroll. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint. I'm showing you exactly how to integrate Make.com and GPT-4o to find, qualify, and outreach to your ideal clients on complete autopilot. No VAs. No expensive lead gen agencies. Just a lean, mean, AI-driven engine that works while you sleep. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. You hired a VA or a lead gen specialist to take the workload off your plate. But look at your calendar. Your plate isn't empty. It's just full of something worse. Management. You're spending hours every week auditing spreadsheets, correcting typos in outreach emails, wondering why the qualified leads coming in are actually just spam. Here is the brutal truth. Every human you add to your lead gen process isn't just a cost. They're a liability. Humans get sick. They lose motivation. They quit right when you hit your stride. While you're paying out monthly salaries, your profit margins are shrinking. You aren't scaling a business, you're scaling a babysitting service. The traditional agency model is a lie. It tells you that to double your leads, you have to double your headcount. That is a linear trap. If your growth depends on finding the perfect employee, you don't have a system. You have a gamble. Imagine if the research, the personalization, and the initial outreach happened while you slept. Zero payroll, zero mistakes, zero management meetings. That is the difference between a lead gen team and a lead gen engine. So here is the reality. You don't need a virtual assistant. You don't need a lead gen specialist. You need a system. I call this the zero employee engine. It's a closed-loop system that finds, researches, and contacts your ideal clients while you sleep. No payroll, no management overhead, just pure profit. Let's build it. Step 1, the trigger. Most people manually export CSVs. That's a waste of time. We're connecting Make.com directly to our lead source, whether that's Apollo, LinkedIn, or a Google Sheet. The second a lead hits your criteria, the engine wakes up. No human intervention required. Step 2, the intelligence layer. This is where most automation fails. Generic emails get deleted. To win, you need hyper-personalization. We send the lead's website URL to GPT-4o. We aren't asking it to write an email. We're asking it to perform market research. GPT-4o scrapes the page, identifies the prospect's current struggle, and drafts a custom hook based on real data. Step 3, the delivery. Now, we pipe that personalized hook directly into your outreach tool. The system maps the first name, company, and the AI-generated hook into your template. You've just gone from a cold, robotic blast to a warm, researched conversation, all in 2.4 seconds. Step 4, the CRM loop. Finally, we tell Make.com to update your CRM. The moment a lead replies, the status changes to interested. You only step in when there is a meeting to be booked. Think about the math here. You've replaced a 3-person team with a few API calls. You've eliminated human error. You've eliminated the management tax. You aren't just scaling your leads, you're scaling your margins. Now here is the reality. This system doesn't take lunch breaks. It doesn't ask for a raise. It just converts. By pairing Make.com with GPT-4o, I've seen cost per lead drop by 40% while the volume tripled. You're no longer paying for management overhead. You're investing in digital infrastructure. You can build this exact engine using the links in the description. I highly recommend make.com for the logic and OpenAI for the intelligence. If you're still using Zapier, it works, but Make gives you the granular control needed to actually scale without breaking the bank. Stop hiring more people to fix a broken process. Build the machine instead. If you want more blueprints to replace your manual workflows with AI, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get into the final optimization.